how to reset my password on Flight Club. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can reset your password on Flight Club. So if you happen to have misplaced your password and you need to reset it, this video will teach you how to do so. First of all, you were trying to log in into your account and you no longer remember your password. All you need to do is to go to the lower part of the screen here and click on forgot password on the login page. Okay, so after clicking on forgot password, you'll be asked to enter in your email address. Just go ahead and enter in your email address, click on submit, and then a link will be sent to you for you to reset the password. Go to your Gmail, all right, by opening a new tab in the search box, type Gmail inbox, and then click on Gmail, and then you'll be taken to your inbox page. Once you're on this page, locate the link, okay? Click on the link, and then you'll be able to reset your password that way. All right, it is that simple. Okay, this is one major way to do that. All right, so I'm just going to log into my account now. And so after logging in, if you still feel you want to reset your password while you are logged in into your account, let's say maybe you did not misplace your password and you want to reset the password, just move to the top right corner where you can see your account icon, and then just click on it. Then scroll down and select my account in the drop down menu, and after doing that, you will be brought to your accounts page. So on this page, you can see accounts. Next to it, you can see edit. So click on edit and then move to the right side. Then you can see the option change password. All right, so click on it and you'll be brought back to this page, okay, which is the forgot password page. So you can just enter in your email, click on submit, and then a link will be sent to you. Go to your Gmail, reload, see the link has been sent, click on it, click on reset my password, and then you'll be taken to the next page, entering the new password you want to use, confirm the password, and you will be good to go. All right, so let's go ahead and type that out now. Click on submit, and that is it. All right, this is my previous password. That is why it's displaying this. But for you, if it's a new password, it will not show this. All right, so that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.